This is how you can quickly and easily clone your own voice and use it for narration in Elevenlabs. First, let's navigate to elevenlabs.io and then click login and then log in with your own account. And by the way, this feature requires a paid version of Elevenlabs. Anyway, after that, you can click voices right here and then click create or clone a voice. And after that, select instant voice clone. This is the easiest way to clone your own voice in this platform. And here you can drag and drop a file, or you can also record your own audio right now. And I'll select that option, and I'm going to be reading this passage to actually record my own voice and turn that into a clone in Elevenlabs. So let me just click this button and I'm going to start reading. Okay, let me just select the audio input first. I'm going to be using just my microphone. And let me just click start and I'm going to read that passage. Life is full of small moments that shape who we are, like a kind smile, a quiet walk, or the courage to try something new. When we slow down to notice them, even the busiest day can feel a little brighter. Okay, right, so there is the option to remove the background noise. You can actually enable that. And after that, if you're quite happy with the result, you can click next and just wait for the next process to appear. Okay, I'm going to call this voice my voice. This is actually version 2 because I have done the other testing before. So my voice version 2. Now for the language, it's going to be English, absolutely. Let me just select English, and after that, now you can add some more labels like the accent, the gender, etc. But that's actually not necessary, especially if you just want to use it for yourself. But this information, including the description, is also maybe useful if you want to share your voice to the public so they know what your voice is good at. Now I'm not going to be using that. I just use some basic setting, and be sure to enable this option. And this is very important. Basically, you have to have the permission that you can use the voice, and if it is your own voice, then it is pretty much automatic. But if you're using somebody else's voice, then you better have that permission before you can use this cloning feature. Anyway, you can click save voice. And after that, we can actually start using the voice. So I'm going to skip this and I'm going to just navigate to text-to-speech. And I'm going to be using, let's say, my own voice. So let's select, instant voice clones right here. And my voice version 2, I'm going to select that. And the model, you can use version 2 or version 3. It's up to you. I guess I'm going to be using version 2 first. And I'm going to be using this passage. The same passage, and let me just compare that. All right, so this is version 2, and let me just generate speech.
Life is full of small moments that shape who we are, like a kind smile, a quiet walk, or the courage to try something new. When we slow down to notice them, even the busiest day can feel a little brighter.
Okay, let me play the audio.
Life is full of small moments that shape who we are, like a kind smile, a quiet walk, or the courage to try something new. When we slow down to notice them, even the busiest day can feel a little brighter.
Okay, I would say that's pretty close to my own voice, but now let's try the model version 3. And regenerate the speech again. This might take quite a while and it's a bit more expensive, but it's usually very good.
Life is full of small moments that shape who we are, like a kind smile, a quiet walk, or the courage to try something new. When we slow down to notice them, even the busiest day can feel a little brighter.
All right, let's try this other version.
Life is full of small moments that shape who we are, like a kind smile, quiet walk, or the courage to try something new. When we slow down to notice them, even the busiest day can feel a little brighter.
All right, I think it's decent, although I would say it's a bit more stable using the version 2 model. But if you want to get more to be more expressive, then you can use the version 3 model. So that's basically how you can use your own voice in Elevenlabs in just less than 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.